Uploading a PowerPoint presentation to your Zenler course. From the dashboard, go into Courses and open the course up, and then go into Curriculum. Now if you're already in the course, you can just go straight to Curriculum. So down under Other Media, I'm going to add a new lesson type. Let's call this PowerPoint. Let's save this change and let's upload a PowerPoint presentation into the course. Click PowerPoint. You can select it from the library if you've already uploaded one, like this, or you can upload a PowerPoint presentation straight into here. So I'm going to click this and you can see I've got a PPTX file. I'm going to click open, it will upload, there it is there, and we can just now preview this by going into the course curriculum. Let's go into the course curriculum and see how the PowerPoint presentation displays. Let's click PowerPoint, and now inside of here you will have a display for PowerPoint that you can go into full screen. You can also jump to the pages and you can play this automatically within the platform. So if I click this, you're going to see that it will play through this PowerPoint presentation. And it's as easy as that. It's a nice clean interface. It works really nicely. And this is another feature, PowerPoint presentations, that Zenler includes in your course media type uploads.